backyard track. And we're walking the path. Had to do a lot of stuff since the last video. Had to make it wider. Change a lot of things. Jump right there. Let's run a little berm. Or turn. Old school car, you know how I had this so long. The battery's actually charging right now. But yeah, it comes like that. Do these jumps. It's still kind of small. I mean, it takes the whole backyard up, but the truck's a 40 mile an hour truck right now, so it's actually too fast for the backyard. All I gotta do to the truck, because it's the new type, is get a battery, be 60 mile an hour plus. See, I changed all this because I needed to get more speed and just come out of that turn right there with hauling ass. There's the jumps. That goes back around the straightaway. Made like a half pipe, the one in the center. I had to get some upgrades for it. I had to get some hinge pins because the batteries kept backing out. Some fans. I had to get a fan for the hydraulic control. Got a heatsink fan for the motor. There goes. Jumps actually might change, make them further apart, because with the truck I can get some good speed, not at full throttle, but I can get some good speed that'll jump from here and it lands on the second. It can land on the second one right there, but I don't have that made for a landing ramp, so I'm gonna end up changing it so if I want to do the triples jumps, or just jump the whole thing with one big jump. Oh, That's it.